Okay, I was trying to find a different filter. Again, my battery is dying and I need to focus on what I have to do. But what are we doing? All right, so we have the square root function. F of x equals square root of 2. This is home base. This is our starting point, our guide. Every time we're going to graph, we're going to start with this in mind, all right? Notice that it starts at 0. We don't have negatives, right? So if you are given this and you are asked to graph this, the -5 tells me I'm going to go down 5 units from here. Vertical shift, my apologies, vertical shift, right? Down 5 units, okay? What do I substitute for x to make the inside of the radical 0? A positive 1. So 1 minus 1. A positive 1 will tell me to go to the right. So I'm going to go 1 unit to the right, okay? If you wanted to know more specific points given this function, you will substitute. Let's say I substitute 2 for x. So I have 2 minus 1 is positive 1. Square root of positive 1 is 1. 1 minus 5, negative 4. And so on, all right? As you are working with this, be careful with your signs, like the numbers that you picked. If you would have picked 3, then you're going to end up with a radical, meaning a decimal. So you wanted more specific values. So I picked 10 because, I picked 5 because 5 minus 1 is 4, square root of 4. That's a nice number. The same from this one. I picked 10 because 10 minus 1 is 9, square root of 9. We have a 3, so those are good numbers, all right? But if you wanted to, you have more specific numbers right here. But going based on what we already can see from there, we just want the general idea where this is at, okay? So for, I'm going to put my guide right here. Yes, so I know this is my starting point. This is my guide. I'm going to follow. From here, I'm going to make my shifts. So it says I'm going to go down 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's the next one. And then I'm going to go to the right 1. And then this is my graph. My new graph right here. Oops. You know what I mean. Okay. So again, same as before. Anything being added or subtracted outside, in this case, the radical,